In this video, I show you step by step how I do my own dropshipping product research using Aliexpress Plus. My name is Robin. I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge, which I'm going to break down in simple videos like this. If you find this video valuable, make sure you subscribe on my channel where I make more videos like this. So without further ado, let's go back to Aliexpress Plus. I will drop a link from Aliexpress Plus in the description down below, so you can access the same page right here. So what this is a category page of AliExpress where they select the best-selling products in the market right now. So this is a great way to source products for your dropshipping journey. So what you see here are products that are really best-selling in Europe right now. They have an insanely fast delivery speed. They have free delivery and free returns. So that's amazing benefits of the AliExpress Plus page. Not many people know about it, so make sure you check it out in the link in the description. So let's do some research together to find winning products. What you can do also is to select the niche you're in. So you click any of these and find more relevant products for that. But without further ado, I check around because I already spotted one winning product. So for example, this product, right? The winter clogs, the winter flip-flop, as I should say. Winter is coming in Europe, so I think this is a great product. But I do have a few criteria that I have in mind to actually see that if it's a winning product. So the criteria I have right here. First of all, it needs to be a unique angle or wow factor to keep people's attention and get them from social media onto your website. Second of all, you need to have a good presentation in terms of good photos and videos to use in the marketing or on your website. Third of all, the availability needs to be nice. So you don't want to sell products that are available on any corner of the street. Fourth of all, your products need to fulfill a certain desire or problem, so you can really write a product description about that on your website. Fifth of all, you need to make sure that you have enough average order value, preferably 40 euros plus, so you can have enough profit in the pocket. Sixth of all, you need to find the right timing or the right season. I have a bonus tip included in the video to show you how I do it myself. And seventh of all, it's preferably to have a product where you can upsell or make a bundle together, right? So these are the criteria I have in my mind, and this is the product that perfectly fits from the AliExpress Plus page. So what you want to do if you want to test this product is to download the images right here. This is a Chrome extension called Image Downloader, so you can just download the images and put them on your website. So what I also made for you guys is a Trello board to keep a good overview of the products that you are testing. So this is the overview. I already added the product right here, the winter flip-flop, and you can just copy and paste the link in the description from Trello right here. So what this Trello board does is it gives you a good overview of what you're doing during the testing process, right? Because for example, on day one, you would like to do all research for the products, so you implement them right here. The second day, you verify if the products are good to sell, so you swipe them right here. And here you need to double check if the products are good to sell, right? So you go to Google Trends and you spot if there is a trend in the searches here. So for example, this product is the same every year. It starts around September, October until February right here. So you know right now is a good time to sell this product. So then you swipe the product more to the right, and you know, okay, this product is ready to add on my website. So I swipe it right here. This is easy for you or for your team. So it doesn't matter how many employees you have. Everyone can give a good overview of what you're doing and fulfills a certain task in the team. So if the product is added on a website, you can double check it. If the pricing is right, the reviews are there, the description, and you or your team members can swipe it to ready on the website. Then you can do the final check yourself before you launch the advertising, and then you can swipe it to the right where you can start the Facebook advertising or TikTok, whatever. Just copy this sheet, what I have here, the Trello board, and make it into your own process. But what I would like to show here is that you can easily create overview in your team of what you're doing, right? So in step 6, you can see here Facebook testing, day 1 until 3 until 6, or scale or Facebook kill. So with this, you can create a good overview, and it doesn't matter how many team members you have. So without further ado, if this video was valuable for you, make sure you subscribe on my channel where I make more videos like this. I have 5 years of e-commerce knowledge myself, which I'm going to break down in more simple videos like this. Alright, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.